America's oldest paved oval. It's called the Indianapolis of the East, and Joe, it lives up to its reputation.
It does. It's the second of 3 races here in 2024 at Thompson. We are ready for the start of the Thompson 150 presented by FloSports. Patrick Emmerling, the pole sitter, to the outside lane, will bring the field off turn 4 and into turn 1.
Jake Johnson, sparks fly, trouble now. Patrick Emmerling, not only will he win, he has led each and every circuit here tonight. Checkered flag is out. It is Patrick Emmerling for the win.